we're going to the TA, get the oil change, get a PM done on the truck, get the field wheel grease, get everything greased up. We're gonna ride out. That's what we're gonna do. Let me show you guys the seat covers I got. So this is the seat cover. Most of y'all probably seen it on the website, but so this is Fox leather with the red stitching, with the red corduroy stitching. We got a white trim line here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. You can also get the optional armrest. You can get it all black, or you can get it customized like this with the red and the black, or whichever color seat cover you do. So I gotta get the other one to go on their side. And that's pretty much it for right now, but like I said, we gotta go and get some maintenance done on the truck, go get it cleaned up. Today also, with oil change on it. Next time I go through my service, I'll be taking it back to the shop. They rebuild my engine so they can do my overhaul and change my oil again. And then after that, I'll be getting an overhaul done yearly. So even though we shine, we gotta make sure it's the maintenance work on it. So we're gonna take off and head to the TA. With the weather changing, might be able to roll a little bit more cold like this thing, I don't know. Also, the mud flaps gonna be coming soon. I'm considering thinking about putting my truck in this truck show, guys, that's going on in Philadelphia, Mississippi. I really want to put it in the truck show. I got the information to sign up, but I just don't think I'm ready yet, man, because of my bumper and the fender. And this is why I say I don't think I'm ready yet, because of my bumper. Let me show you guys. See, on this side it's good, but on this side, like I said, I got the crack here, and the bumper is, it's a little off. It's been bent a little bit. You can see, right up in there. Next to this side. So, I don't know, man. I don't want to go there half-stepping. I know I won't be 100% ready, but I probably can get the fenders and slap the fenders on, you know, get them painted up the same color as the truck, slap them on, and then I may be able to go ahead and swap out and add the T-bar on the back. I'm gonna take these flaps off and cut them down and start them on a T-bar and everything like that. I don't know. It depends on, you know, how things go. If I'll be able, you know, at least be that much ready to put it in the truck show. You guys comment below, man. What y'all think? What would you guys do in that situation? If you guys really wanted to, you know, put the truck in the truck show, but you wasn't completely ready, like what would you do? Would you know, just not rush it and just wait until you know, get it done? Or would you know, kind of go to half-stepping and just say, hey, you know, I'm just gonna put it in, I've never been, I'm just gonna put the truck in the show and just see what happens. Let me know what y'all would do, man. I may make my decision off of what you guys do, you know. So, but let's get down this road. Get this truck fixed up. guys, check out this pro start coming up. It's a guy, he pull logs. He come down through my town all the time. And we have a mill that's literally right down the road from my house. But I never load out of it. It doesn't pay well, so for me it doesn't. But this guy be rolling, man. His truck pretty loud too. That guy be rolling, man. Careful though by the way that he's driving. He is driving kind of crazy. He needs to be careful, man. He's an older guy, but I just don't like the way he's driving, man, especially through the city. That's not smart at all, bro. It's really not. Seems like a lot of those log guys being like they being a hurry, man. They be in a rush. I don't know why. But it just seems like it, man. Like, I know they make money based off of the amount of loads they can get in. They can turn around off of the, you know, the tons or whatever, but man, I don't think it's really worth running somebody over, man, driving like this. But, hey, I drive the way I drive, they drive the way they drive, so. With my company, you know, big on safety. So we about to pull up at Bay 2. Go up in here and get this thing. We're gonna get a ultimate oil change. With Landstar, we get a really good discount. A really good discount. So that's why I come to the TAs. So back, turn this radio down. Back at it, man. Just finished getting the oil change with the truck. Got the premium deal. Get a good discount through Landstar. So here I got the Landstar Ultimate PM. Cost me $250. Along with the oil, the water, fuel separator, and all the other stuff I got. Air filter, engine air filter. You know, and all the little extra other stuff they add on it. So my total with tax and all was $429.70, which is actually good with everything that I got done. Without the Landstar discount, I probably would have spent over like $600. So I saved myself about $200. So that was much needed. I'm gonna get on back down the road. I really want to get my truck washed, man, but every time I go to the Blue Beacon here, I just be really disappointed, man. They don't ever wash my truck as good like they, supposed to. I just be disappointed, man. So I got a buddy of mine that lives in my town. He washes trucks and cars and stuff like that. He washed mine a couple times for me, so I'm gonna get him what he's supposed to do it today, and get it cleaned up for me to get ready to leave out Sunday with. So until then, I'm probably gonna go by this truck place over here and get me some more air line and the air fittings so I can hook up the train horn, get that thing going. So let's ride over here, see if we can get some of that stuff done. So guys, let's stop here at McLeod Truck Parts here in Condell, Alabama. If you're ever coming through Tuscaloosa and you need something specialized, some kind of type of special part, you can get it from here. So only thing I got was some more airline for the train horn. I didn't know how much I needed, so I just went and got 100 feet. Got 100 feet of airlines, and you also need this adapter piece if you're going to be running it, you know, air pressurized through your tank. You need this piece that goes in the tank, and you got this quick connect, you know, where you just hook the line up to. So with that being said, we're gonna get to the house so we can get the truck washed, and it'll be another video of me doing the install on the train horn, but I'll make sure I make a video of it. So we're gonna get back down the road, guys. My buddy Brian that I blew the horn at, he was over at the gas station over there. back at the yard. Just here checking out all the fluids and everything. Still the same. I gotta get another top, man, from a reservoir. I was checking my, doing my pre-trip one day, and I just forgot to put my top back on, and it fell off going down the road somewhere. So, but belts and everything looking fine. Like I said, I think I got a little wobble on my tensioner right there, because if you can see it, ain't it good? So the belt is lined up exactly how it's supposed to be, but once I start the truck, it kind of gets right on the edge, and sometimes it'll come up off of the grooves here, and I have to put the belt back on. But it's been going pretty fine so far. Wash the fluid good. Make sure I don't see any leaks or anything going around this turbo right here, man. One day I'm gonna get this turbo off of here and change it out and get all this EGR shit taken off here. Get it blocked off. So I got new fuel filter, as you can see, new fuel filter, Fleet Guard. Of course, they changed the oil and everything. They checked all my fluids. Of course, I knew the power steering fluid was good. Oil stick. They also put a new filter in there. I wanted a new filter in it. I don't know, you may be able to get a filter cheaper from International, but I do know that this filter right here was $60 with TA, but I got a $30 off promotion, something like that, when I buy the ultimate oil change package. You get $30 discount on it. So and along with Landstar discount, so that also helped me out on that. As you can see, he greased the arm here, all my grease fittings. He greased everything. You can see that. So pretty much what he's supposed to do. Grease all the fittings, which is what he's supposed to do. Yeah, so that's everything on there. And of course, like every other shop I go to, somebody has to ask me about the stuff I done to the truck. So he was like, he like it. I like it. Gotta get it washed up. I'm gonna get everything together to install this train horn. Like I mentioned, I think I mentioned this before, but man, I really been considering taking this box off right here, because I think something's going bad with my AP unit, man. It's so hard finding parts for those electric AP units that comes inside the truck. It's really hard finding parts for it. I'm not saying you can't find any parts for it. It's just tough trying to get the parts for it that you need, so if it goes out on me, I just say, what the hell, man, just take the shit off. And just less weight be on my truck anyway. So I'm gonna run it this weekend. Well, not this weekend, but Sunday when I leave out, when I shut down, I'm gonna test it one more time to see how it put out. And if it don't put out like it's supposed to, then not necessarily put out, but it's supposed to stay on. And the batteries I got in here is good batteries. I changed these batteries out along with those when I got the engine rebuilt. So I know it ain't the batteries. Hell, I barely run that system, honestly. But we got grease fit in here and greased everything. Thinking about changing my shocks out. They not really bad. They're not bad, but I do know I gotta change the airbag out on that side of the front axle here. And get those done and we'll be good to go, good to keep rolling. So guys, I'm in the video right here, man. And as soon as I end this video, I gotta jump on another one. I gotta keep it rolling for y'all, man. Y'all been showing me really good appreciation. I don't know who that was. Y'all been showing me good appreciation, man, and I really love that. And I just want to keep everything coming in for y'all, man. And, you know, just keep it rolling. So I'm in this video right here. Just a little video of me getting the oil changed. I were gonna overlap this video right here, but I don't want to have too much content on my GoPro. Where I run out of space and stuff like that. So I'll just go ahead and put this one out right here and start on the next one. So keep subscribing to the channel, guys. I appreciate it. Keep commenting, liking the videos, you know, do your thing. And we gonna keep this thing right here rolling, man. So that being said, just keep doing what you're doing, keep tracking.